We're here at Aventura Hotel located at Universal Orlando Resort. In this video, we're going to take you on a room tour of their deluxe room. One of the things we like about this hotel is that the halls are not very long at all. The rooms are pretty close to the elevator, so you don't have these long halls to walk back to at the end of a long park day. We are staying for the first time in a deluxe room at Aventura. We really like staying at Aventura. And coming in, you have some drawer space, 3 drawers here, and you've got a mini fridge and a coffee maker. This is the type with the flat pods. And then a little bit different here, you've got a table on each side of this bed, and these beds are angled. We've got a bed here, but I'll step back and you can see these beds are angled toward the window. And then along this side is a little table, and here is your bathroom. Very interesting layout for this room. It gives you a little bit more space, and especially if you're rooming with somebody else or you're rooming with your kid, it kind of gives you a little bit extra space there. Okay, so in here, and this tricked me because I walked right by these before. You've got your extra pillow or maybe a blanket and a place to hang some clothes, your safe, an ironing board. Let's see what kind of view we have here. Oh, I see Volcano Bay, I-4, and then if we wrap around to this side, we see Cabana Bay. I think I'm really gonna like this layout. The controls for the TV and the room and for services, all that is on this tablet located in every room. You can even look up theme park hours. There you go. Tells you what the hours are. Pretty handy. Hey, so we have stayed in this room type multiple times now, and just wanted to share with you our second experience in this room, how it is flip-flopped, and the view from this angle. Okay, so this room that we have on this visit is designed the opposite way. So you've got your long bed over here, and the other bed is right here, and your bathroom is over there. And this view on this side, you can see Volcano Bay, but back there over top of the tower at Cabana Bay, you can see the Epcot ball, or Spaceship Earth at Epcot, and that's your Disney view. And then if you come back over this way, you did get a wonderful view of Cabana Bay, the top of Cabana Bay, and at this side, you can just barely see the back side of Islands of Adventure. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.